There is a cat perched above the city of Dole. Not a real one, though Dole is plenty of those. This cat belongs to a writer, Marcel Aymé, born in Joigny in Burgundy in 1902, and spent his childhood and adolescence in Dole. And his most beloved creation, the series of stories known as Les Contes de Chat Perché, the Tales of the Perching Cat, gave this city a mascot, a trail, a festival, and a name of one of the finest food events in Bourgogne Franche-Comté. Today, the Tour de France starts in Dole, and today we are talking about the weekend Gourmand de Chat Perché. This is Fabulously Delicious, the French food podcast. Welcome back to the Food Tour de France. I'm your host, Andrew Pryor. Dole is the former capital of the Franche-Comté, city of Renaissance architecture, canals, known locally as the Little Venice of the Jura, and the birthplace of Louis Pasteur. Sits at the gateway between Burgundy and the Jura, between the wines of the Côte d'Or and the extraordinary cheeses and wines of the Jura Mountains. The weekend Gourmand de Chat Perché began in 2014 and has grown into one of the most significant food festivals in the region, drawing over 60,000 visitors across a single autumn weekend and transforming the entire historic centre of Dole into what the organisers call the Grand Village Gourmand, a vast gourmet village. It takes place every year in the late September in the stone-paved streets and Renaissance squares of the old town, and the name is the city's permanent tribute to Marcel Aymé, whose perching cat has given Dole its identity as a city that takes imagination seriously alongside its gastronomy. Around 150 local producers and food artisans install themselves in approximately 15 temporary villages, ephemeres they call them, across the historic centre, each one themed around a particular aspect of the food culture of Bourgogne Franche-Comté. The admission to the stands are free, but the tasting experience is structured through a pass system. Tasting Pass gives 5 tastings at 5 different heritage venues, from the Hotel Dieu to the Cloître de la Visitation, turning the old town into a food trail where every historic building becomes a tasting point. There's also a bell tower pass, tastings at the top of the Notre Dame, with panoramic views over Dole and the Jura. There's a children's pass, the Petit Gourmand, and a picnic basket for 2 sold on the Place Nationale to eat in the squares and gardens of the old town. Every restaurant in Dole participates during the festival weekend with a special menu, de Chat Perché, from Michelin-starred kitchens to small neighbourhood bistros, commits to showcasing the specialities of the region, from the atoll to the petit bistro, as the organisers put it. The food culture of Dole and the Jura that the festival celebrates is genuinely extraordinary. Comté, the great pressed cooked mountain cheese that we covered in this French cheese episode in the main series, is the signature product of this territory, and each wheel at the festival expresses a different terroir, different maturation. Cane culotte, semi-liquid unpasteurized cheese, nicknamed Cole for its sticky consistency, is another constant presence. Dating back over 2,000 years, it now carries IGP status, eaten hot over baked potatoes or a morteau sausage. It is everyday comfort food for Franche-Comté. The morteau sausage itself, a smoked pork sausage from Côte d'Aube, produced in a specific way using local breeds and smoked in special chimneys called tues, is another festival staple. The morel mushroom of the Jura forests, the haute Jura trout from the clear mountain streams, and the breast chicken all sit on the menu of Dole's restaurants. The festival also extends beyond the food itself. Street performers, cooking demonstrations, music, art exhibitions in the museums. The Musée de Beaux-Arts offers themed visits, food in art, etc., following the gastronomy trail through the paintings of its collection. The whole city participates. The festival is not a standalone event that happens to take place in Dole. It is Dole. It is its history, its architecture, its food culture, and its literary identity, expressed through eating and drinking and sharing for a single weekend every autumn. the Chat Perché trail that runs through the city year-round, triangular metal arrows engraved with a cat, set into the paving stones, leading through visitors through 34 historic sites across 4 kilometres of the old town. Passes the birthplace of Louis Pasteur, the house where Marcel Aymé grew up, the Notre Dame, the canals, the Tourneurs. During the festival weekends, these same streets become the setting for the Gourmet village. Heritage and gastronomy, as the organisers always say, married with taste. The 2026 edition of the weekend Gourmand de Chat Perché takes place on the 25th, 26th and 27th of September. Maybe I might see you there. So if you find yourself in Burgundy, let me know. And follow the cat. Get a tasting pass. Eat something at the top of the bell tower with the Jura mountains in front of you. And remember that you are in a city where Louis Pasteur was born, where Marcel Aymé wrote stories about perching cats, and where the song meets the dew. That's the weekend Gourmand de Chat Perché. Next on the Food Tour de France, another stage, another story. Bon appétit et à très bientôt.